In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an Add to Cart button in the Shopify Dawn theme. If you're managing an online store, you know how important it is to have a seamless shopping experience for your customers. So, let's dive into making your products one click closer to purchase. To start with, head over to your Shopify homepage. This is where the magic begins. From here, you want to look for the Online Store option in the sidebar menu. It's usually towards the bottom, under Sales Channels. Click on that, and you'll be directed to a new page that lists all the themes you have installed. Now that you're on your online store page, find and click on Customize. This is where you can make visual changes to your store and make it uniquely yours. Look for a drop-down menu at the top right corner of the page. It typically defaults to Home Page. Click this drop-down to reveal a list of different sections and pages that you can edit. Next, look for and select Collections from the options. It's where all your product collections are listed. When you click on Collections, you'll see your default collection. This is the template that applies to all your product collections, unless specified otherwise, so any changes here affect multiple products. Move forward by selecting the product you want to add the Add to Cart button to. Browse through the collection until you find the product that's missing this crucial button. Clicking on a product will bring you to its product page layout. In the product page editor, look for a tab or section labeled Quick Add. Click on Standard in this section. This is the feature that enables the display of the Add to Cart button, making it accessible directly from the product page. Once you have selected Standard, your Add to Cart button should now be visible on the product page. And that's it. You've successfully added the Add to Cart button to your product page. This button allows your customers to seamlessly add items to their shopping cart with just one click, enhancing their shopping experience and potentially increasing your sales. Don't forget to save your changes. There's usually a Save button at the top right corner of the Shopify editor. Click it to ensure all your modifications are preserved. Remember that changes take a few moments to update on the live store, so be patient if you don't see them immediately. This simple addition can make a big difference in customer satisfaction and your store's overall performance. Thanks for following along in today's tutorial. Feel free to check out more of our guides to optimize your Shopify store. Happy selling!